So wait, you're saying that your sister's down there?
Yes, can you help me find my brother and sisters?
Sure. And you, time to go. Whee!
There he is.
Oh! Daddy, marry me. Hey, you! Oh, I'm monkey. I'm gonna eat you.
Psych! Guess what?
What? I know how to kick. You saved me. Woohoo!
On to the next one. There he is over there. Who? Jelly Mental Green. Being held hostage by that old-looking woman.
Hey, I'm not old.
Help!
No, I'm gonna fire you into that cannon, and that cannon will fly into the giant volcano, which will erupt and take down Captain Blackbeard's ship. Oh no, I don't think so. Boom! What?
Hey, I'm saved!
Oh no, you don't.
Ha!
Okay, now I'm safe for sure.
Thank you!
Brother, sister, yay.
Okay,
There's the next one.
listen, you belong to the bee tribe.
No, I am not a bee.
Wait, the giant golden bee? Oh no, I am not dealing with her again. That is the last time for. Hey!
Please show mercy.
We will give you anything in return. Yeah, please. Fine. Whoa, ouchie. Whoa. Hey, golden bee. Ugh, it's a monkey again.
What do you want?
I just have something to say.
Get your hands off my jellyfish. Whoop! Whoop!
You did it! Now there's only one more. There he is. The last elemental.
Wait, he's in Fruit Town? Finally, time to get you.
No, please, I'm no fruit.
He must think that Julie Mental Red's a fruit. Well, don't worry, guys. I'm gonna go talk to him. Hey, get out of my sandwich. What? Sorry. Monkey butt. Let's get you home now.
Thank you.
Family, we are reunited.
Hooray! At last.
Let's never split up again. Woohoo! Yeah, with you.
Ugh, can't believe it. What? Yeah, once again, another episode wasted. Hey, Huggy Muggy. Oh, hey, Quickie. Guess what? You ran into me. So, do you know what that means? What? That means that. Wait. Hey, Jerry. Yeah? Turn off the stove for me, will ya? I left it on. What? That's important. So that means what? I get to stay with you again for another episode. Well, look, Queeky, if you think you're gonna stick around for another episode, it's not gonna happen. You've already stuck around long enough. Please, one last time. Fine. Woo!